Hi guys, you might think that I look Chinese, but I am Russian. Today I'm going to introduce the best 3 apps and YouTube channels and how I have been learning Chinese. 我来介绍一下，我是 Kiun， 我是俄罗斯人。今天我想跟大家分享一下我的方法，我怎么学习汉语。So the first must-have app is TrainChinese. I've been using this app for 5 years already, and it's one of the best apps for learning the structure and how to use the word. So you can search a word there, see the translation and the radicals it's made of. So it's much more easier to remember once you understand the meaning of the character. Also, you can find below the character, the examples of the sentence, where you can use the word. I think it's so important to write down the whole sentence so you can use the word in the future.
这本书受到读者的好评。
The second app is Anki app. Anki is one of the best flashcard app for building a vocabulary. You can download pre-made flashcards from Google or make your own. I downloaded the pre-made flashcards for HSK 4 level from Google myself, and it comes with the images, audio and sentences to aid you in memorizing new words. You can then grade how well you know the cards, hard, good or easy.
我有100块钱。
I've been learning Chinese with a teacher. I was asking another way of learning Chinese, and I wanted to read some Chinese book. And my teacher recommended a book from the Peking University, and they especially made for those who is learning Chinese. But there are only characters. It takes quite a lot of time to finish this book. And luckily, I found another app which made everything easier. It's DuChinese. So it has the same short stories, which is also so interesting to read, and it includes pinyin translation and audio. You can also save the words, which is make it so easy and fast to read, learn and remember.
这天，陈文偷偷跟在丈夫后面，看着丈夫进了书房。
But this app, they have a free version. Free version is giving access only for the first chapter, and if you want to finish the book, you need to pay for the subscription. It's actually not really expensive. The monthly subscription is around $10. If you want to get a discount, you can also use a China admissions discount, and you can use a code which is here, and you will receive a 10% discount. I have my 2 favorite YouTube channels. The first one is Learn Chinese.
大家好，欢迎来到 HSK 汉语课堂。
This channel is made by Peking University. It's one of the best universities in China. And on their channel, they have a lot of videos starting from the HSK 1 to HSK 6. They are giving the classes for the vocabulary, grammar, and you can listen the proper pronunciation of the teachers.
活动，肯定。
And if you like this course of the Peking University, you can also check on Coursera. I will leave the link below. So after you accomplish this course, you can receive a certificate from the Peking University. Second channel is Mandarin Corner, and they also have videos for each HSK level, and you can learn vocabulary, grammar, and so listen the proper pronunciation of the native speakers. But I recommend to listen some really interesting conversations between the native speakers.
就是说朋友之间见面就女孩子之间见面怎么打招呼嘛？
你又瘦了？
对，但是他们看到我会第一眼会说你怎么又不是黑呢，是又黑了。
为什么是又黑呢？
So there is also another way of learning Chinese from the best universities in China. On the China admissions platform, you can find a lot of different programs of learning Chinese from different universities, and you can also sign up for the free trial. I will leave the link below. So that's all guys, I shared with all of my favorite ways of learning Chinese, and I hope it will be useful for you as well for improving your Chinese language. And see you in the next video. Bye bye!